Public information. Do you know how easy it is to get public information deleted? Listen, guys, my name is Doreen Delavante, your favorite consumer law expert. See, public records like bankruptcy and arrest, these things are one of the #1 reasons why a lot of people are getting stopped for getting jobs, and they feel like they cannot move forward. Having a public record is not the end of the world. I'm going to teach you how to delete a bankruptcy in literally no time. So the same is true for any public record. The first thing you want to do is you want to suppress your LexisNexis report, your Sage Stream report, and your LCI. I want you to look these companies up. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to write the clerk for the court that you did the bankruptcy in. And you're going to ask them if they report to the consumer reporting agencies. Next, I want you to challenge the accuracy of the information on your credit reports from TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. Right? They're going to come back and they're going to tell you that it's verified, but they're going to tell you who it was verified by. 9 times out of 10, it's LexisNexis or LCI. LCI is a TransUnion company that supplies public information to TransUnion. Now, after you've done that, 15 U.S.C. 1681A4, your right to privacy. 15 U.S.C. 1681B2, permissible purpose. See, you, the consumer, for any public record, for any information, for any report at all to be furnished, the law says a consumer reporting agency may furnish a consumer report under the following circumstances and no other. Look it up, 15 U.S.C. 1681B. And when you go down to number 2, it's going to say with written permission from the consumer to whom it relates. So if you didn't give these companies permission to report your information, it is a violation of the law. Now, once you get that package, you're going to send it off to LexisNexis, SageStream, or LCI. And when you do that, they're going to delete the bankruptcy. Now, when they delete it, this is admission. So you're going to take that report, package everything up, the response from the clerk, the deletion from LexisNexis, SageStream, or LCI, and then you're going to send those off to the consumer reporting agencies, rinse and repeat, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you delete public records. Let's go. But before you go, I got a 5-day challenge coming up. And what I want you guys to do is register below. I am going to go in so much detail how to clean your entire report, how to delete bankruptcies, charge off, child support. I am going to go in. Student loans, oh my God. Listen, they didn't believe in us. God did, and I am going to teach you how to delete everything. Say everything, everything. So you guys need to tap in below. Guess what? It is free. General admission is free. It's free. So I don't want to hear the excuses, Doreen, I don't got any money. No. General admission is free. Let's get you in the room so I can start teaching you how to change your life, change your finances, change your credit. Let's go.